Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver 25.0 on AlmaLinux. Then we will connect PostgreSQL or MariaDB or MySQL. Okay, open any web browser. Then go to DBeaver official website, that is dbeaver.io. See here, DBeaver community is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, database admins, analysts, and everyone working with data. It supports all popular SQL databases like MariaDB, MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family, and more. And also see here, we have two types of versions: open source version and commercial version. So this is the free version. So click on download. See DBeaver community 25.0. For AlmaLinux or Red Hat or Fedora Linux, we have to download this RPM package. So click on Linux RPM package. Once we click done, see download started and its size is 126 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the RPM DBeaver RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm-ivh. Then give the give the tab to autofill entire RPM package. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to show applications. Go to next page. See here we have the DBeaver, or you can search for here also. Open it. Now click on this plus button. Then select the PostgreSQL or any of these databases. But the login process is same. Then click on next. Here we have to provide the host name or IP address. Okay, I am giving localhost because PostgreSQL is installed on this PC. And default port for the PostgreSQL is 5432. This is the database name. Show all databases. Then provide the password for this user. Then click on text connection. These files are required by driver. So click on download. See, successfully connected. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand it. Expand databases. See here we have this database. If you want to run the queries, right click and select SQL editor. Then open SQL console. Then run the queries. Like if you want to see the version of the PostgreSQL that we have connected, select the query and click on execute. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17. Okay. If you want to run the queries against any table, select the query and click on execute. See, you got the data. Okay. In the same way, if you want to disconnect, right click, disconnect, then right click, delete the connection. Click on yes, close this. In the same way, if you want to connect MySQL or MariaDB, just click on the add connection, then select MariaDB or MySQL, then click on next. Then you have to provide all these details. After that, it will ask you to download the files for the drivers. Then you have to click on finish. This is the way to connect PostgreSQL or MySQL or MariaDB. So we have successfully installed. Ls, this file is not required anymore, so remove it. DBeaver, give the spacebar, give the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. See, we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install DBeaver 25 version on AlmaLinux. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.